So some of you will be asking me for the link to this particular sheet I used. I'll add it in the resources or the description section of this video, so you can always check it. Or the first video will always contain all the links and descriptions and everything you need. Now, by default, Crypto Finance function uses the CoinMarketCap API, one of the APIs I showed you. So, but what if there are other APIs? Maybe you're using another site. So I just want to let you know that there are so many other sites that we can just, that Crypto Finance can use their API. So from what you have here, you have Cryptopia, Kraken, Bitfinex. I know many of you use Bitfinex. You have Independent Reserve, you have BTC Markets, JDAX, Bitstamp, HBTC, and so on. And then Bittrex. I know many people also use Bittrex. So all these exchanges, you have access to them directly. You understand? So to use them, you just add them. For instance, you just add it very close. For instance, we're using Bittrex. We want to use Bittrex. So from our code, we want to get the volume, but according to what Bittrex API says, not the CoinMarketCap we're using. So you add it here. As you can see, you add it, put a semicolon, and then this way hit enter. So it will now fetch according to what Bittrex API says. But I must warn you, some of these guys don't really work. Sometimes they change their API and things break. As you can see in this case, it appears something has broken. And then some of them work with, you must add a base currency. As you can see, BTC in USD. You must add a base currency when you're using them, unlike when you're using the CoinMarketCap API. So like I told you, some of them have broken APIs. So, but imagine that we change this to, instead of converting from Bitcoin to USD, we are doing XRP to Bitcoin, BTC. Let's see whether it will throw an error again. And as you can see, it works. So some of them work only when you're converting from any other currency or any other coin to Bitcoin. You understand? And then, like I said, you can always use them, but if the API is broken, it means that there's something you're not writing well. They have their different approaches. But then there must be a base currency, which most of the time could just be Bitcoin. But apart from that, you're good to go. You can use any of these APIs by just indicating them. So thank you very much. I hope you're able to just build this, then gradually start adding your own ingenuity by like adding graphs and all the other useful things you can get from an Excel spreadsheet, different filters and functions and a whole lot of things you can get. So, and once you apply your own Excel skills here, you have an awesome application. And remember that you can always visit this on your phone. So assuming you have this and you're making a journey, you can just visit docs.google.com/sheets, and you will see this sheet selected, and then you will see this, so you can know when to trade, instead of the usual way of coming here to try and memorize all the coins you are trading and start looking for them and searching for them one by one to see what has happened and stuff like that. I hope that this video kind of simplify things to you and make you make money at the end of the day, so that you don't lose money, so you can keep track of all that you're following. So if this is your first time of ever following my video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. So this is the channel on YouTube, Cryptocurrency Trading Strategy Tutorial Explained. So you should search for exactly this, Cryptocurrency Trading Strategy Tutorial Explained. So you will get, as you can see, I'm already putting some videos. It's a brand new channel for this particular course, so that anytime there is a new tip on what to trade, which currency to trade or which one to buy, this is where I put the video immediately. Most of my videos will be live, so that as you're watching it, you're trading the currency immediately, you're making your money immediately. You understand? So when you visit, when this opens, just click on subscribe. All right, so thank you very much for following. If you have any any questions, drop them in the comments, and then I'll put a link to my other groups, maybe Facebook groups. At the description, you'll see Facebook groups that you should join, and other groups that you should join, so that anytime I have tips, I'll just immediately, you'll be the first to get it. I hope this tutorial helps you sort things out. if you're working in a big organization, I know this would be a very, very big solution to you, because me, it was already a problem with all the currencies I was trading before I figured out how to sort it out. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, inbox me or drop them, and see you next time in my next course, where I'll teach you the tricks of trading this cryptocurrency.